Okay, everybody, today was the second day for me on the tram, and if you're following me, the griffton tram, and you want to know a little bit about how my progress is coming along, you can follow me on YouTube. I'll update and keep my progress going on Spreaker Radio and YouTube. So if you want to follow me, go right ahead. Go to YouTube and type in James Ziegler and look for the Big Fish Music Building. And that'll be me. I'll accept your friend requests if you wanna friend me on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or even Spreaker Radio. I'd like to give a shout out to Walton from Texas for commenting on the first video I put up on my progress and what happened to me. Thank you, Walton. And I'll be putting up more progress every day. And I'm gonna play a song that was done for a very special friend of mine named Zell Black. Recorded and sang it. And I think the song says everything about what we need what we're talking about. Zell, if you're listening, keep it up, sweetie. Remember, we're in this together. Anybody else with a stroke? You too. Keep it up. So, here's the song. Thank you, Zell. It's called Don't Give Up by Zell Black.
When you get discouraged and things aren't going right, 'cause you're living in a broken world from morning until night. Sickness in your body, you've got sickness in your mind. Searching here and everywhere, but there's no peace you can find. So don't give up. You just run to God. Don't give up. You just trust in God. Don't give up. You just run to God. Don't give up. You just trust in God. Even though you're getting weary, feeling like you can't go on, when you are weak, that is when He'll make you strong. Hold on to your promises, that's all you gotta do. He'll never leave you, nor forsake you. He'll take care of you, so don't give up. You just run to God. Don't give up. You just trust in God. Don't give up. You just run to God. Don't give up. Just trust in God.
That was Zell Black, Don't Give Up, off of our Christian album. If you're looking to buy this track, you can find it at nibbits.com/Big Fish Music. The name of the song is called Don't Give Up. Written by Zell, produced by Gary Black, published by Big Fish Music.
You can
Don't give up, Zell. But remember, you can't give up either.
You can trust.
Stroke drivers out there, this is for us. Don't give up.
Even though you're getting weary, feeling like you can't go on, when you are weak, that is when He'll make you strong. Hold on to your promises, that's all you gotta do. He'll never leave you, nor forsake you. He'll take care of you, so don't give up. You just run to God. Don't give up. You just trust in God. Don't give up.
Follow me on YouTube. You can see the videos. See how my progress is coming along. Also, I'm posting on Facebook.
You just trust in God.
I'd love to have you Love you all. See you next time. I'll keep you daily posted.